how to buy Chainbase token. So this token came under the symbol of C. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check their account and make sure to check their community too. So this token, it will be available on Mexc. So what you need to do, just open a new window and type Mexc to access to your account. So if you don't have an account on Mexc, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link or create an account on Mexc to benefit from yours. Now after that, click in the search bar and type C like that. From the top bar, what you need to do, click on spot and you will be able to find this pair that have USDT. Now just click on it. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now as you can see, this token will be available by 2 days from now. So after that date, what you need to do, you can just go here and type how much you want to buy, and this is the amount that you will be able to receive with that token. This is the total that you should pay using USDT on your accounts, and here you will be able to find buy C in about a few seconds to a few. So after you click on it, in about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to find your token added to your account. So this is how to buy C token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.